Fourth grade Science Chapter 4. More about Animal Kingdom. I am learning about vertebrates. Scientists have broadly classified animals as vertebrates and invertebrates. Animals without a backbone are called invertebrates, while those with a backbone are known as vertebrates. Every animal on the earth belongs to one of these two groups. Vertebrates can be classified or grouped into five major classes, namely fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. Animals belonging to each of these classes have some unique features. You have already learnt about the unique features of birds in grade 3. Now we shall learn about some more kinds of vertebrates like fish, amphibians, reptiles, and mammals. First one, fish. Fish is one of the class of vertebrates. They live in water. They have gills through which they breathe underwater. Gills are covered by a gill cover. If you lift this cover, we can see rows of gills. Most fishes have scales on the skin. They also have fins and streamlined bodies which help them to move in water. They have a tail that helps to change directions in water. Goldfish, rohu, and shark are some popular fishes. Water animals like starfish, jellyfish are not actually fishes. In fact, they do not have a backbone and so they are invertebrates. Second one, amphibians. Frogs, toads, and salamanders are some of the amphibians. These are animals that can live both on land and in water. Amphibians have a smooth, moist, and slimy skin through which they can breathe when they are in water. They also have lungs through which they breathe when they are on land. They have webbed feet which helps them to swim in water. They mostly live on land and move into water to lay eggs. Reptiles. Animals like crocodiles, alligators, snakes, lizards, tortoises, and turtles belong to the class reptiles. They live mostly on land, though they can also live in water. They live mostly on land, though they can also live in water. Their body is usually covered with dry scales. Scales are small plates of hard material which covers the skin and also protect it when the animal crawls on the ground. Reptiles have short legs or no legs at all. Reptiles can crawl, walk, slither, and swim to move from one place to another. Mammals. Horse, elephant, squirrel, deer, and bear are some of the mammals. These are found everywhere on the earth, in forests, deserts, ponds, and oceans. Mammals have external ears and hair on their body. They can give birth to young ones that look like them and can produce milk to feed their young ones. In spite of these common features, mammals differ greatly in size, shape, and other body features. Whale is a mammal because it has hair on its body. gives birth to young ones, and produce milk to feed them. The smallest mammal on the earth is the shrew, whereas the largest one is the blue whale. Habitat of animals. Food, water, and air are the basic requirements for all the living things to survive. All animals and plants live in a place or in an environment that fulfills all their basic needs and thus help them to survive. Such a place or environment where an animal or a group of animals normally live is called its habitat. When an animal is removed from its particular habitat, its survival becomes difficult. For example, a cat lives on land and cannot survive in water for long. Similarly, a fish cannot live outside water. On the basis of their habitat, animals can be grouped as terrestrial animals or aquatic animals. Terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land are known as terrestrial animals. Cow, dog, elephant, rat, lizard, snake, etc. are terrestrial animals, such animals have lungs to breathe. Terrestrial animals, such as a monkey that lives on trees, are called arboreal animals. Birds are called aerial animals as they spend a lot of time flying in the air. Aquatic animals. Animals that live in water are known as aquatic animals. Fish, duck, lobster, and octopus are aquatic animals. Some aquatic animals have gills to breathe inside water. Most mammals live on land, but some mammals, such as dolphin and whale, live in water. They have lungs to breathe. They come up to the surface of water to breathe.